Hello everyone, my name is Tinglan Sana and I'm basically from Manipur. Right now, I have been pursuing my Master in Social Work degree from the Center for Social Work, Punjab University, Chandigarh. And as a part of our course, that is the Master in Social Work, we have got an internship program of 4 weeks in which we have to involve ourselves in an NGO or an organization according to the area of our interest. So for this, I had chosen the Open Eyes Foundation, which is situated at Kudalahora, here itself in Chandigarh. So in this short video, I would like to share to everyone my experience during my internship.
First of all, I would like to give a brief idea about Open Eyes Foundation. The Open Eyes Foundation is a non-governmental organization founded in 2016 by Mr. Sandeep Kumar and registered under Societies Registration Act 21 of 1860 in the year 2017. Since its inception, the organization has been working tirelessly for basic education and women empowerment. And the organization is fully a self-funded organization, so its funding is mostly through public donations. There are 7 different projects in which the organization is mainly focusing on, but I got the chance to work on only 4 different projects due to the current situation of COVID-19 pandemic. So the projects that I had involved with the organization are: number 1, Radi Se Shiksha. Under this project, we collect the donated used books and stationery from the Tri-City by going from door to door in a movable mobile van, and later segregate them and keep in the library situated in the office at Kudalahora. And moreover, these collected and segregated books are also distributed to the needy students of different schools and colleges through various camps and also through the movable mobile vans. And I also went to 4 different schools in Chandigarh to distribute the books and stationery items during my internship. Number 2, Naya Savera. Under this project, the organization takes the responsibility of providing the adequate education and resources to the needy single-parent students and orphans in order to lessen the financial burden of their education. And during my internship, 3 single-parent children were also taken care under this project. Number 3, Rise Women Be Parents Positive. Under this project, the organization provides underprivileged women with menstrual hygiene essentials and also raise awareness to stay period positive. For this, the organization adopt a particular colony for 3 months and give awareness about sanitary hygiene and also provide them sanitary hygiene essentials for complete 3 months. So during my internship, we adopt the colony Adarsh Nagar in Mani Mazra and started working for 1 month. Number 4, Education Hut. Under this project, the organization set up a small tuition center cum library to provide education to the underprivileged children in the area or colony which are in need and unable to afford basic education for their children. So during my internship, we had started to build the Education Hut at Adarsh Nagar in Mani Mazra. And this project was started in 2020 during the first wave of COVID-19, and this will be the second education hut. So these are the main areas and projects that I had involved during my internship of 1 month at Open Eyes Foundation, and the organization is also planning to install a book donation box in each and every corner of the Tri-City. And I hope it will boost the organization in collecting more books and further helps in the activities of the organization. And apart from the activities of the organization, during my internship, I had also learned how to do a data entry. So I also entered the data of all the books and stationery items distributed and also the data about the women whom we had extend our help in distributing sanitary hygiene kits.
Finally, I would like to thank Sandeep sir, who is also known as the Bookman of Chandigarh, for all the constant guidance and support throughout my internship. And I would also like to thank our chairperson sir, Dr. Gaurav Gaur, for providing me this great opportunity, and our fieldwork supervisor sir, Mr. Prasant sir, Robin sir, and all other who had helped me out during my internship. Thank you everyone and stay safe.